Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will mark the start of the last section in the last chapter of the book. We will be dealing with ways of delivering a checkmate using the elbow horse as one of the main protagonists. So without further ado, let us begin. Now in this was the position that was given in the book. According to the book, red would win if he went first, and black would also win if he went first. Unfortunately, red cannot win if he went first. Now, in the book, it was suggested that red could win in this manner: a check, and then forcing the king here before delivering a checkmate. Unfortunately, let's say deliver a check. Black could simply capture the chariot. This would be a double check. So black could simply capture the chariot with this move. And if red tried to deliver a check, black could cross check. So red would be forced to capture the horse. And in this situation, black could actually turn the tables, as he would now capture the horse or the cannon to have a winning position. So that is why the first position is flawed, and I have declined to make a video of it. Instead, we will start with the same diagram, but with black going first to show how the elbow horse can deliver a checkmate. First move, again, black would sacrifice the chariot. This will be a double chariot. This will be a double check by the horse and the and the chariot at the same time. So red will make this move. Now black cannot capture the chariot, otherwise it would be an immediate checkmate with the horse cannon. So this is a common use of in similar situations with this combination, especially involving the elbow horse. Black could now deliver a check, forcing the king to move to the third rank. Again, the the cannon will now make its presence known. X6 plus 5, and if the king moved here, this would be an immediate checkmate. K5 plus 1, capturing the advisor with help from the cannon. And again attacking, so this would be a checkmate. So if a short review, if black go to move first, a check, red cannot capture, or it will be a checkmate. Check, and if the king moved up, this would be a checkmate. Any way to block, capture, checkmate. So although this example, the kill by black, was quite nice, it's a little pity that red could not win with the moves given in the book. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.